Bed883 here. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and get that bell. That is a pretty car. Get that bell icon, a nice good old rub down, y'all. All right, so let's go ahead and just do a walkthrough real quick. A lot of people have been asking about a lot more details with the trike. Now I posted it up on the T-Rex forum on Facebook. If you haven't checked it out, please be sure to go check it out. But for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys a basic run through of everything as far as all of the specs and everything of what I built with it. So we're going to start with the main shabizzle. Of course, everybody knows that this is a replica of a T-Rex, Campania Motors T-Rex. This is a replica. I tried to get the size and scale as close as possible. Once I did a little bit of math, I found out that I'm actually just a little teeny bit wider than the actual T-Rex, which is not actually a bad thing, you guys. We're gonna keep going down the list, you guys. So the motor is a ZZR 1200 motor, basically a ZX12. This motor, I remember, you guys, I bought the motorcycle because I found out that this is actually one of the earlier motors and models that they use for the T-Rex, and I was thinking, well, hey, I would love to do that. I couldn't find a ZX14 and I couldn't find a Hayabusa that was affordable, so I went that route and got the ZX12 to the ZZR 1200 motor. Now the bodywork, of course, you guys see me making the bodywork is all fiberglass. I did all of the fiberglass parts and everything else like that. Rear, we have a 20-inch rear wheel. I believe that it's like 10.9 wide. If it's not 10.9 wide, it's like 11. I don't know. It's a 10.9 or 11. I'm not too sure. 20-inch rim on the back. We got 18 inches on the front. Please don't, I don't know. I think these are 8.5-inch wide wheels that I have in the front, you guys. Now I originally had these signal lights on here, and these are the mirror signal light combo. I had this on there, but I had to take it apart because it doesn't fit inside of the hood. Of course, you guys know I built the chassis, did everything on my own. So if we go under the hood, we have the Willwood pedal assembly. Willwood brakes all around, you guys. We got the Willwood front brakes. These came directly off of a T-Rex. I have installed those along with the rotors. Those holds up pretty good. Shocks, everybody's been asking me about shocks. These shocks are Elka shocks. These were directly from a T-Rex. I bought them online. Exhaust, we switched those out. Just got some small little slip-ons that I found on Amazon. Just threw those on there. Okay, what else we got, y'all? We got that. I did steel braided lines all the way through for everything. So we have steel braided lines going all the way through. Fuel tank, custom made fuel tank. Like I said, slightly bigger than the OEM tank for the T-Rex. Lights. Okay, let's go to the lights. So these lights, I found these on Amazon, and they come on. They're the red angel lights with the really bright LEDs in the front. So of course you got your low beam, high beam, signal lights, sparkle steering wheel, Aniki's 4-point harness seat belts. Trying to think of anything else that I might have missed, you guys. If you're interested, then hey, come on. But other than that, every bolt, every washer, every chain sprocket, every single thing that you see on here is OEM parts from Campania Motors. So like I said, you guys, if you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, get a bell icon, a nice good old rub down. Be sure to check out the forum at Bed883 on Facebook, as well as Instagram at Bed883Moto. Until next time, you guys, I'm about to go ahead and get up out of here. Y'all keep a lookout for all these crazies out here. I'm gonna catch you on the flipsies. Deuces.